Greetings, Elder Blacklight. Today, we're going to explore how to get a deeper meaning of the Bible, the Quran, and other books. All types of literature, technical information, or whatever. Words are very important to get to the root of anything. You gotta go to the source or the root of that word or meaning that you're trying to get information from. So first thing you gotta have this is a dictionary of word origins. A dictionary of word origins. You want to get an old edition so you can go to the kind of bookstores that sell old books. You know, you want to go to the kind of bookstore that have literature and books that go back as far as you can go back to the 1800s, because words change meanings. You know, after a period of time, they change meanings, alter the meaning. So you want to get the origin of words. I got two of these. I'm going to get more and then compare them, cross-reference them. And then you want to get I got a dictionary that I can't show you because it's so old it's falling apart. In the 40s or the 30s or in the 20s, you want to get you a dictionary. And I got a dictionary here, but it's modern. But I got the old dictionary also, and I compare the meaning. This is the Webster's New World large print, and I compare the meaning when I got an old dictionary. I got a dictionary so big and so old. It's got everything in it. It's about this thick. And then you want to get you a law dictionary. And this way, when you read the Holy Bible and you want to make true sense out of it, you know, you can see, you can interpret the Bible more better and get a more better feel of course, you know, they altered the Bible, King James Version, you know, he altered the Bible. But he can't, by him altering it, he can't delete the wisdom that it holds. Ain't no way he can delete it. So you want to get you some dictionary of word origins, find out where words come from and how far they go back. And then you want to know about certain terminology in law, certain terminology in health. Now, I'm going to look up the word in this law dictionary, what it means in the word possession, what it means in the law. Possession, dominion, and control over property. The having, holdings, or detention of property in one's power or command. Then it cites a law case. When distinguished from mere custody, it is said to involve custody plus the assertion of right to exercise dominion and control. Then it gives some more law cases. Then it says the actual possession, immediate and direct physical control over property. With regard to real property, it involves actual occupation of the property. Go over that again. It involves actual occupation of the property or direct appropriation of the benefits it yields. Talking about money, like rent and stuff like that. But the first one is the one that you take to be supreme over the latter, or the direct, or involves actual occupation. So when you get occupation of not only property, but say we're going to go back to the time that Christopher Columbus came over here, and there was already people over here in America, and they were occupying the land long before Christopher Columbus came over here. Not only over here in North America, but there were people in Africa occupying land. There were people in Australia occupying land. Then the Caucasian came, dominated those people, set up his own law version of law, told these people that your laws and customs no longer apply because we conquered you and you got to deal with us. But yet still, Christians go to the church. Black Christians go to the church. And they study what God says, but don't have a full meaning of the actual laws that God put down in the Bible. So let us deal with that. It says, in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Right? Then God created all of this. He formulated all of this. Then it says, them dogs, man. Try to block them out your mind. Then it says, God created man in his own image. God said it like this: let us make man. Now who's the us? The us is plural. So it's talking about a group. But then again, you got when they say God is one. Well, that could mean a whole lot of things. That could mean a whole lot of things. And so I don't want to get into that right now, but it don't have to mean it was just one person. It can mean that it was a group of people that were on the same wavelength or thought alike, or was creating an object as one. You know, we're as one. In other words, unity amongst these people that created man in their image. Then it says, we're going to show man and give man what's in this paradise. He going to have dominion over all of this. Man. Now, who was the first man? Now, they didn't say the black man was the first man of the planet Earth. We're going to, break it down on the next go around. This is Black Light.